Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the Value Education class. Today we are starting chapter 6 Character. A man of character is honest and truthful. He does not cheat anyone. He does not hate anyone. He does not steal. He earns through his hard work. He is God fearing. He never does anything wrong. He does not want to harm anyone physically or mentally. So, if you want to be a honest, a character means he will be a honest or a brave. So, if anyone wants to be a good character, then he must be a honest. Honest means he will not never tell a lie. He will not cheat others. He will not hate others. He will not steal. He will not earn hard work. He is God fearing. That means he will fear the God, and he never does anything wrong. He does not want to harm anyone physically and mentally. Next, read this story. Once upon a time, a man was going in a rickshaw. He had a bag which had a purse. When alighting from the rickshaw, he took out his purse to pay the rickshaw puller. Then he caught a bus. While he got into the bus, he found that his purse was missing. He knew that he paid the rickshaw puller. He did not notice that he had left the purse in the rickshaw. The rickshaw puller noticed the purse when the traveler had left. He opened the purse and found that it had 10,000 rupees in it. He also found in it the address of the owner. He sent the money to the person concerned through a money order. Thus, the rickshaw puller was a man of character. He was honest and truthful. He suffered from no greed for others' money. He could keep the money with him. It was a big amount for rickshaw puller, but he proved to be an honest man. So what happened once a man was going somewhere in a rickshaw. He he had a bag and had a purse. And when he alighted, that means came down from the rickshaw, he took out the purse, he paid the rickshaw puller, and when he kept the purse over there only in the rickshaw and went away. When he stepped into the bus, when he tried to took out the purse from the pocket to pay for the bus, for the bus ticket, he found that the purse was not there. In the meantime, the rickshaw puller has found that purse. There was 10,000 rupees and the address of the owner. Now the rickshaw puller can keep the money. No one could say, because the man had forgotten that if he had put it in the rickshaw or on the road. So what he have done? But the rickshaw puller was so honest that he took the address and sent the money through money order to the man. That means the rickshaw puller was an honest man. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. In one of the plays, he writes, "Character is destiny or fate." What does it mean? How is character related to fate? Let us try to understand this. There are several problems in our lives and we have to solve them. Numerous people may face a similar problem. They have different solution to the same problem. Accordingly, everyone has his own solution. The person whose solution turns out to be wrong is considered unfortunate. A man of high character will certainly find the right solution of a problem. Thus, it is the character which makes or mars your luck. So Shakespeare, he was a great dramatist. That means he wrote many dramas. In one of his plays, he wrote that character is the destiny or fate. For example, I can say that there are many problems in our lives and we have to solve them. Many people may face a similar problem. They have different solutions to the same problem. Accordingly, everyone has his own solution. Everyone will do, if I have a problem, the same problem you also have. How we will solve, that is your choice, and how I will solve, that is my choice. So, the person whose solution turns out to be wrong is considered unfortunate. That means I want a pencil. I didn't brought a pencil in the class. Now what happened? Someone borrowed from someone. The person, like Pinky, didn't brought the pencil. Pinky asked Sohana that, can you lend me a pencil for some time, because I have forgot to bring it. So this is the good way. But if anyone will steal it, that means without asking if he or she will take it, what will happen? It will be a curse. It will be unfortunate. That means without asking in taking others' things is unfortunate. A man of high character will certainly find the right solution of a problem. That means Pinky has found the correct solution, right solution. She has borrowed. Okay, a man of high character will certainly find the right solution of a problem. Thus, it is the character which makes or mars your luck. That means the character makes your lucks and character gives you a luck. Okay, so till the next class, goodbye. Have reading. Rest of the part we will do in our next class.